Hello viewers, welcome to another enriching episode of our video series. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, committed to helping maintenance and operations teams succeed. In today's episode, we've got a special treat for you. We're going to delve into the realm of maintenance and reliability with industry veteran Cliff Williams. You'll get to hear about Cliff's journey, his thoughts on the importance of alignment and empowerment in an organization, as well as his take on the role of technology in our sector. So gear up for an insightful ride into the world of maintenance and reliability. Cliff is a wealth of knowledge in the maintenance and reliability space. He is the principal advisor on maintenance and reliability at People and Processes, a global consulting and educational service firm focused on the full spectrum of physical asset management. He's also a member of the board of directors for the Plant Engineering and Maintenance Association of Canada. Cliff shares his journey into the maintenance and reliability sector, starting from the days when maintenance wasn't considered a science. He recalls how they would install equipment, and if it was important enough, they would install equipment next to it so that when one broke, they would start the other one up. In the mid-70s, he embarked on a new adventure with the advent of computers and helped implement one of the very first computerized maintenance management systems. When asked about the processes and procedures that a maintenance organization must have in place, Cliff emphasizes the importance of alignment. He believes that all processes and procedures should support each other and the organization's strategic objectives. However, he points out that it's the culture and rationale behind these processes and procedures that will determine their success or failure. Cliff also talks about the importance of empowerment and delegation in leadership. Leaders should not be afraid to delegate authority and should show through their norms and behaviors that they believe in their team's capabilities. Discussing the role of technology in the maintenance and reliability sector, Cliff affirms that technology definitely has a part to play. He explains how technology can convert data into information and then into knowledge, understanding, and wisdom. He believes that technology can help show how solving problems affects the performance of the department and the organization as a whole. Finally, Cliff shares his perspective on making mistakes. He believes it's okay to make mistakes for the right reasons and that these can be great learning experiences. He emphasizes the importance of understanding why you failed and how you can move forward. To connect with Cliff, you can follow him on LinkedIn or reach him at peopleandprocesses.com. Thank you for joining us on this episode. We've explored the importance of alignment, empowerment in leadership, and the role of technology in maintenance and reliability. We hope you found Cliff's insights valuable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources on maintenance and reliability, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep innovating in the maintenance and reliability industry.